Our coverage of Computex 2024 is brought to you by eSIM and Hushed. Thanks to them, I didn't have to pawn off literally everything I own to go to Taipei. You know, Thermaltake is a weird company for me. I always thought of them as this nice, reliable, but bog-standard PC cooling company, but boy was I wrong, because they've been actually cooking recently. And they took me on a tour of their Computex 2024 booth, and there's a lot to talk about. Starting off with this. Yes, you are seeing that right, it is a submerged PC. An early demo of the brand new Immersion Cooling tech. Now, they made it clear that it isn't oil, something that's been used before for these kind of builds, which has been horrible for actual PC maintenance. So this should solve that issue. However, a little birdie told me that this liquid right now is kind of expensive, but so it's a very early demo, the product is still ages away, so hopefully by that time they'll figure it out. What isn't that far away is the brand new The Tower 600, which looks absolutely stunning, especially given how it can be displayed normally vertically, but it can also lay down on its side and the whole PC can be built around that instead. And it is available in black, white, light green and light blue, so you know which color of those I already want. Spoiler alert, is the blue. I guess the matcha green would match that matcha green keyboard I reviewed a while back. So they also showcase the CTEX fans, which address a need we can all relate to, and that is that RGB is kind of messy. Because when running RGB fans, you need both a PWM and a usually addressable RGB cable per fan, but not with these. Here they are magnetically daisy-chained together, meaning that you need cables running from one of these fans to your motherboard, basically reducing the amount of fan cables in your PC to a third. And it has another interesting benefit. Usually when you're messing around with the internals of your build, you may accidentally pull on a cable, which can of course damage it. With these, if you pull on them, well, it just quickly disconnects, so you don't have to worry about a whole fan becoming useless just because you ripped the cable somewhere. Finally, they showcased the brand new laptop cooler, which after dealing with video editing on my laptop while at Computex, with it reaching 105 degrees, I could very much use it. This thing features a large fan underneath that can spin up all the way up to 3500 RPM, providing much needed relief for the laptop. Not to mention the fact that it has RGB, which is probably the most important part. Either way, Thermaltake showcased a lot this year, and it's amazing to me how they're pretty much an everything company to me now. I mean, they literally had this showcase of a Thermaltake everything build with a Thermaltake monitor, a Thermaltake desk, Thermaltake headphones and more. And hopefully if I spam them with enough emails, they'll send a few over for us to review on this very channel, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss our coverage of all these amazing products and more. And maybe also check out our Patreon so you can actually pay off the financially ruinous trip to Computex. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Byrne, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Dev Panda, Bartosz Velka, Patrick Harrison, Not a Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, Level Up and Robert Sanders. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever we make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye. eSIM and Hush allow you to continue using your phone completely hassle-free overseas at super competitive prices. Make sure to check out the links below for more info.